All right, kindergarten, we are going to review our positioning words activity that I assigned to you last Friday. All right, so let's first listen to the directions.
Hi, boys and girls. We're going to use our positional word to describe our location.
All right, so we are supposed to put the dog where? Do you remember? I think she said in front of, right? In front of the doghouse. So what does in front of mean? Is this in front? Oh, you're right, that's on top. And that would be so silly to see a dog on top of a doghouse. Is that in front of? You're right, that is beside. Is this in front of? That is in front of the doghouse, because to be in front of it, he'd be able to go in to the doghouse, right? So he is in front of the doghouse. Let's move the lake. What were the directions for the lake?
First, make sure you have your
Let's
hands.
check.
Next, put the house
Behind the fence. Is this behind the fence? Is this behind the fence? Is that behind the fence? Yes, it is. Let's see if we can figure out where that lake goes.
house. Next, put the house behind the fence. Hand tool to move your pictures. Put the dog in front.
Between the trees? That's on top of it, isn't it? Between? No. Is this between the trees? Yes. Good job. And then we would have clicked that, and we are finished. Good job. We are learning positional words. That was good. So I might have sent back a few of these assignments to just a couple kiddos. So you might want to go to SeeSaw and see if you're one that just needs to look again. If you put the pictures in the correct position with the word we were given. So is the pond between the trees? Is the fence is the house behind the fence? Is the dog in front of the doghouse? So just check SeeSaw, see if you are one that just needs to look again and put those items in the right place.